All right, so let's practice drawing some Greek patterns that we might put on our urn. Need a pencil, paper, and it would help if you had a ruler. You don't necessarily need a ruler, but it'd be great if you had a ruler. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line. And I want you to draw light, but I'm going to draw dark so you can see it. And on my line, I'm just going to write the letter C over and over and over again on the line. You see I have a bunch of C's on my line? And then what I'm going to do is from the top of the C, I'm just going to draw a straight line down, a diagonal line that comes straight down back to the line. And now it looks like I have a bunch of waves. That's a typical Grecian pattern. All right, here's another one that's typical. I'm gonna draw another line. And you can do this one of two ways. You can actually do the letter L that comes off the line. But a lot of times you'll see it the other way. It'll be an upside down L. So whichever way you want to do it, you can do a regular L or you can do an upside down L. You'll see more upside down L's than you will regular L's on the Grecian pattern. Then here comes another one. It's pretty easy. I'll draw a line. I'm going to turn it sideways this time. And this time I'm just going to draw and write the letter V on here over and over and over. And this is a very typical Grecian pattern as well. So you have it's actually a olive leaf was what it represents. The last one is a little bit more difficult, but I'll see if you can do this one. First, I'm going to draw the letter J, and I'm going to make it angular. So out of straight lines, it's not going to be curved. So it's 3 lines to make the letter J. Then right next to it, I'm going to do the letter J, but this time I'm going to do it upside down. Long line up, medium line over, short line down. And then I'm going to make the letter J again. This time I'm going to do the short line down, medium line over, long line up. Then right next to it, I'm going to do it again. Long line up or down, short line over, short line down, medium line over, long line up. Oh, and it might help if you did a line, just draw it lightly and draw it on your line. It'd be a lot easier to see where your lines will go. And so you draw it nice and straight. And that's a typical Grecian pattern as well. Now, can you make your own pattern? Sure, there's a bunch of ways. You see that we use letters to create all these. Maybe you can use another letter to create yours. Maybe you might take the letter O, and it just might be on the line. And that might be your pattern. But I want to see what kind of patterns that you can come up and practice them a little bit before you actually put them on your urn, okay? All right, well, I hope you have fun making your patterns, and I can't wait to see which ones that you choose to put on your urn.